Hi there! In this tutorial, we will explore how to add fields and edit the key fields for each field. Field keys are unique identifiers for each field within a form. Field keys help in internal form logic, automated workflows, and advanced calculations. To add fields to your form, click on the field types in the Add Field panel. You can collapse the channel anytime to maximize screen space. Field names can be edited by clicking on the pencil icon. You can also copy or edit field buttons by clicking on the respective buttons. You can also choose how your field keys are displayed in Form View by clicking on Show Field Keys in the Advanced options. Each field type has different settings option that you can configure. The Field Settings panel on the right is where you can edit and configure your fields. Simply click to enable an option. To add logic to a field, click the Field Rules button. In this, you have shortcuts for field settings. These include whether the field is required, whether there are any rules associated with this field, whether the field would capture geolocation or timestamp data,